Another aspect of the Sweej Ambience Sound and Sweej Ambience Volume Actors that you may have noticed is that along with sound loops and scatter spots, we can also assign reverbs or other effects to them. To set up your reverbs to work with the Sweej Ambience system, you need to start by identifying or setting the master reverb mix for your project. So in Project Settings, we look at Audio and we find the Reverb submix. This needs to align with the Reverb sound submix in the SweejTech Ambience system. So we again go back to Project Settings, and in the Ambience we check that the Reverb sound submix is the same one. Then we need to create a new submix effect preset, Audio Effects Submix Effect Preset, and it needs to be of type Sweej Amp Blend Submix Effect Preset. This allows the system to smoothly blend between multiple reverbs. We don't need to edit any settings of this because it just acts as a vehicle for the Sweej reverb settings. Once you've created that, you need to assign it to the reverb submix. So here, submix effect chain, add, and then you assign it. And once that's set up, any reverb or effect chains you add to your Sweej Ambience Sounds or Sweej Ambience Volumes will work. So in this Sweej Ambience Sound, which is global for the island, the reverb effect chain includes this, which is a submix effect convolution reverb preset. And there's another couple of convolution reverb presets being used for the large house and for the inner room within the large house. So as an example, I've added a clapping sound to the character. So this audio component's playing back from the character's location. I'm going to browse to that in the content browser since I'm going to solo it to make things a little bit clearer. So there we can hear the global effect, and then as we enter the house, we hear the convolution that's part of the reverb effect chain for the large house here. And then we have another one for the inner room. To quickly see which reverb effects chains are assigned to which actors, we can enable the reverb effect chain column in the Ambience Inspector. To enable smooth crossfading over distance between different reverbs for different areas, a primary and secondary reverb is defined. Whichever reverb currently has the highest mix value is designated as primary and the other becomes secondary. These mix values are a product of the same priority, weight and resulting level relationships that underpin the whole Sweej Ambience system. So we get nice crossfades and blends between the reverbs as we move around the world, and they also respect any max weight settings that we might have. I've set up a fairly extreme example over here so that we can hear that blend happening. This has an attenuation distance of 2000. So if we start from here, and again solo that clap, this is where we're hearing the global sound. And as I move over that attenuation distance, we start to hear the blend into the other one, which has got that more of a slapback echo for this location. And we can enable the console command show reverb debug to see those actual values changing.